Thanks for clicking on Outsider. I'm Tank, and my beautiful assistant is Lily Boo. What we're going to do today, we're going to do a gear review. It's a fabulous product. Here it is. It's a Monocular telescope, or if you want to call it, what I would call it is a spotter scope. I purchased it on Amazon. I bought it myself. I'm not sponsored by them, okay? So you're gonna get, you know, a good look at this now, right? So it's a Purcell 12 times magnification, okay? It's accurate up to 1,000 yards clear view. It's a cracking product. It comes with a tripod, its own little tripod, and a mobile phone holder. I'll show you that later. I'll go a bit in depth of that, okay? It all comes in a little pouch as well, and it costs £35 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below, okay? I'm going to get it set up now, and we'll have a closer look at it. So let's have a look at what we get inside the box. We get our instructions, okay? So it's a 12 by 50 monocular telescope by Purcell, okay? Get a little lanyard, because you don't have to use it on a tripod. You know, you can use it in the hand. So there's the case it comes in. You can put it on your belt, look. Here's the scope itself. So with the scope, okay guys, there's lens caps on each side, okay? Coming to the lenses, something I always do anyway with whenever I'm filming or taking pictures. Always carry a little cloth there, right? Clean the cloth before you start filming and things, but that comes with it as well, right? No biggie, but it's air, like. Just put them in there like that. So when you take the covers off, okay, that one's on a flap, right? But I'd just rather take it off. So when you're about to use your monocular or your spotter scope, put them to one side safe, okay, because you'll always need them. So obviously, because it's brand new, okay, the lenses are clean. So you got the front end and the back end. You got a zoomer in there. That's the zoomer. And you got the adjuster there till you get it right, you know, till you get your vision right. So there it is, guys. Just gonna look at the tripod and things now. Oh yeah. It's a sturdy tripod, look. That's a decent tripod, that is, fair play. Obviously it extends out, it's got extending legs. And it's got a rotating joint as well, look, ball joint. So you can angle it up if you want to look at the stars or whatever. And it's a standard adapter, you know, on the top. So I'll go at the bottom of your camera or your housing for your phone, okay? And what you got then, okay, is the mobile phone holder. You can put it either way, okay, and you can adjust the height. What it does, just goes on there, like so. Just clips on there, you line the lens up, and look through it, okay? Let's get it set up and see what it looks like set up, guys. So put your mobile phone up vertical, obviously because the lens is always at the top of the cameras, and you just line it up then through the lens of the monocle of the spotter scope. So if you was on a stealth camp and you wanted to be a bit tactical, just add some scrim to the top. That'll do the job. Out of sight, out of mind. So I don't know if you can see that, guys. That is perfect. It's about 1,000 yards away. It's a farmhouse. It's absolutely perfect. I've taken a picture. A bit of advice for you when you take a picture, if you're going to use it for bird watching things, rather than touch the phone, which might distort the picture, you might move the camera slightly by a fraction, by a mil. Get one of those Bluetooth devices. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if it's picking it up, but it's a fabulous picture, guys. Absolutely fabulous it is. You know, that's a farmhouse. They could, if I was scoping them out for some reason, no problem in wrecking that from here. You know what I'm saying? And the phone I've got is an Oppo. There's a good camera on it anyway. But there we go. I'm hoping you can see that, guys. But I say I've taken a picture. I'll take another one now. Look, see. That's all you do, right? Take a picture. So I'll play them up on the screen for you now, right? And I'm guessing around 1,000 yards away. Okay? So there you go, guys. The Monocular telescope slash spotting scope from Purcell. 12 type magnification. And I'm going to put a picture on for you now. I picked up Pen Van and it was clear as day. Absolutely clear as day, and it's miles away. Brilliant product, guys. Do yourself a favour, pick one of these up, start taking some photos.